I really enjoy puzzles and small problem solving, and it's kind of just the whole aspect of woodworking is taking a visual image that you've probably drawn out or you're looking at other prints and applying it to the physical scale. When researching woodworking programs and other programs of the like, a lot of them were sculptural and fell into arts, whereas WPCC handles a more industrial approach to it. I have job opportunities already to work in several furniture factories that are local, actually. It's a high demand job. People are sending me emails basically weekly. If you like working with your hands or solving problems or got an artsier side to yourself, you should come to Pioneer Preview and check us out.